HP blames memory price surge as it forecasts earnings at low end of previous guidance. HP attributes its cautious earnings forecast to a sharp rise in memory chip costs, potentially impacting its financial outlook for the upcoming year. The tech giant expects profits to align with the lower end of earlier projections. Workday shares extend declines as soft forecast deepens AI disruption fears. Despite being in the weather category, it seems there was a misalignment with the provided content. However, if we were to hypothetically summarize a weather-related news headline, it might look like this. Severe storms expected to hit coastal regions. Meteorologists warn of potential flooding and high winds as hurricane season intensifies. Residents urged to prepare for power outages and evacuations. My favorite Bluetooth speaker is on sale for $50 off right now. JBL's popular Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker is now $50 off. Perfect for summer adventures. Snag this portable powerhouse before the sale ends and enjoy crisp sound on the go. Don't miss out on this deal. UOB banks on ASEAN to weather tariff uncertainty. Q4 net profit slips 7%. United Overseas Bank, UOB, focuses on ASEAN growth to mitigate tariff uncertainties, reporting a 7% drop in Q4 net profit. To support staff, junior employees receive a one-off half-month salary bonus for their resilience during tough economic conditions. Apple team launches Acme Weather, a new take on weather forecasting. Former dark sky developers unveil Acme Weather, a fresh weather app with vibrant forecasts, sunset, rainbow alerts, and innovative predictions. A bold new take on forecasting from the team behind Apple's acquisition of Dark Sky. Study reveals climatic fingerprints of wildfires and volcanic eruptions. MIT researchers isolated the climatic impacts of major natural events. Pinatubo's 1991 eruption, Australia's 2019-2020 wildfires, and Tonga's 2022 underwater volcano, revealing distinct stratospheric temperature shifts. While Pinatubo cooled the troposphere by up to 0.7 degrees Celsius, wildfires warmed the stratosphere, and Tonga caused mid-stratospheric cooling. Findings underscore natural events' role in atmospheric dynamics but highlight human emissions as the dominant driver of recent record-breaking global warming. End to wintry weather with temperatures up to 16°C forecast this weekend. Spring arrives early in Kent as temperatures soar to *16 degrees Celsius this weekend. Ending wintry conditions. Daffodils bloom amid milder weather, signaling a shift toward warmer days ahead. Check forecasts for your area. After record sales, murky forecast sinks Carvana's stock. Carvana's stock plunged *20% post-market after a vague 2024 forecast. Despite record sales growth last year, investors remain skeptical as the online used car giant fails to clarify its future trajectory. Microsoft to keep buying enough renewable energy to match all its electricity needs. Microsoft commits to powering all its operations with *100% renewable energy, expanding its clean energy investments to match global electricity demand. The tech giant aims to accelerate sustainability while reducing carbon emissions. 6 backcountry skiers found alive. 10 missing after Northern California avalanche. A powerful winter storm triggered a deadly avalanche in Northern California, leaving 6 backcountry skiers rescued while 10 remain missing. Authorities rushed to locate survivors amid worsening weather conditions. Palo Alto Networks cuts annual profit forecast as deal costs bite. Shares fall. Palo Alto Networks slashes annual profit forecast due to unexpected deal expenses, causing a sharp decline in stock prices. Investors react to rising costs as the company faces financial adjustments amid market pressures. Climactech launches hybrid fund to get startups through the Valley of Death. Material Scale. A new hybrid fund aims to support climate tech startups navigating the challenging Valley of Death. Starting with apparel industry innovations. Backed by industry leaders, the initiative seeks to accelerate sustainable solutions and drive impactful change in green technology. Austria wins gold in first Olympic men's super team ski jump as event is shortened due to weather. Austria clinched gold in the inaugural Olympic men's super team ski jump event at the Milan Cortina Games, securing its first medal in the sport. The competition was shortened due to adverse weather conditions, yet Austria dominated the shortened contest, showcasing its prowess in winter sports. IMD weather update. Rain, snow in hills. Hot and humid weather along coast. IMD warns of rain and snow in Himalayan regions, including possible thunder showers across north and central India. Meanwhile, the west coast faces scorching heat and humidity from February 16th. Stay updated for travel and outdoor plans. Oldest fossilized butthole found in 290 million-year-old reptile, Science Alert. Scientists discovered the oldest known fossilized butthole, dating back 290 million years, in a reptile fossil. This find offers insights into the anatomy and digestive systems of ancient animals. The reptile likely left the impression while resting in the mud. NASA officially classifies Boeing Starliner failure as a maximum level Type A mishap, Jalopnik. NASA has classified the Boeing Starliner failure as a Type A mishap, the most severe category. This indicates a significant setback for the program. NASA is committed to continuing the Starliner project, though at a decreased operational level, signaling ongoing efforts to salvage the mission despite the identified issues. China invents process that turns desert sand into fertile soil in just 10 months, Earth.com. China has developed a method to transform desert sand into arable soil within 10 months. This process leverages 3.5 billion-year-old microbes to stabilize the sand, improving soil conditions rapidly. This innovative technique promises efficient desert restoration and ecosystem protection in a very short time, contributing significantly to environmental sustainability. US river seems to defy gravity as it flows uphill and through mountains for roughly 100 miles. Earth.com. The Green River in the US flows uphill and through mountains for 99 miles, seemingly defying gravity. This unusual phenomenon is attributed to subterranean geological movements that influence a river's course, allowing it to traverse mountainous terrain against the expected downward flow. NASA's Artemis II moon rocket has a problem and it's leaving the launch pad. Don't expect a moonshot in March, space. NASA's Artemis II moon rocket is being removed from the launch pad due to an unspecified problem, pushing back the expected launch date. The SLS Orion stack is being rolled back as the Artemis II team addresses the issue, making a March moonshot unlikely. Finally, an ancient fish that understood life's terrors, Defector. The Cambrian period was a time of biological experimentation, featuring bizarre creatures like Hallucigenia and Vivaxia. These animals highlight the unique and terrifying nature of life during this era. The period is marked by odd forms and strange evolutionary paths in the early history of life.